We are going to have a look at these ICEtek earbuds. So clearly these are copycats of Apple's AirPods, but they cost about $100 less. So while these are not perfect, I would say for $100 less than Apple AirPods, these are really actually quite amazing. One thing I'm really impressed with is the storage design. Everything's magnetic, it just snaps into place. Overall, I think the sound quality is good with these earbuds. Because this is a hard plastic, it doesn't really isolate sound as well as other earbuds might, and that can be a good thing or a bad thing. It could be good if you use this to exercise, or if you're outdoor and you want to still hear what's going on around you. You can still have normal conversations with people while listening to a podcast or music or audiobook or something like that. If, however, you really just want to isolate the sound and you don't want to hear anything else, these are not great. Probably kind of depends on your ear size, to be honest. So let me compare this a bit to Apple's AirPods. So as you can see, they are slightly larger than Apple AirPods. Apple AirPods will turn on when you remove those from the case. These do not. These each have their own on-off button. And there's a good reason for that, because these could be used independently. So you can choose to just press the button and turn on one earbud. Another difference is the way to charge it. This comes with a USB-C charger. Most chargers use micro USB. I think USB-C is a bit of forward thinking and planning ahead. I think that's really cool. And unlike Apple AirPods, these earbuds do not use Siri. Something similar that these have with the Apple AirPods is there's no way to actually use this device itself to change the volume or to go to the next or previous track. If you want to do that, you do need to use your phone to do that. Basically, the only thing I don't really love about these earbuds is that they are a little bit bulkier than the Apple AirPods. I'm impressed with how well these stay in my ear. Every time I exercise or do something, they do not come out. Even when I do a shake face. Check this out. Whoa, I'm dizzy, but whoa, really dizzy. These didn't fall out. Hey, that's pretty cool. So you're good to go running or jogging or whatever with these things. The way I prefer to use these earbuds is at home on my computer. It's really nice. This syncs up with the Bluetooth on my computer. I control all my music and volume with the keyboard anyway, so that is very nice. And then when my wife is here in this room with me, she can talk to me and I can hear her just fine, and we can have a normal conversation while I'm still listening to music. One other cool feature about these kind of earbuds that I never really thought about until I got these is you can actually share this with a significant other. So when I'm with my wife and we want to listen to an audiobook or we want to watch TV on a laptop or something, I can give her one and I can use one, and that's pretty convenient to do. I'm also impressed with the quality for the cost. Again, I mean, these are $100 less than Apple AirPods. That's way cheaper. I will post a link below on where you can buy these on Amazon. I think they are great earbuds and you should give them a try. Or not. Just spend $100 more and get Apple AirPods. You could do that if you want to. I'm not making you do anything you don't want to do. Okay.